And I was gonna do a cool video for you guys, but it ain't gonna happen yet. Maybe another day. Alright, so I was gonna do a cold start video for you guys, and then I discovered something about my Z. It doesn't start. Literally, it doesn't want to start. Check this out. That's it. That's what the only thing I get. If I put it on accessory on, it shows I got some type of voltage, and then it goes down. And my air compressor is telling me, oh, you can't see it right now, but you'll see it in a second. Voltage low. Something about my battery. For sure it's my battery, and I was gonna do a cool video for you guys, but it ain't gonna happen yet. Maybe another day. But let's figure this issue out. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so first thing to remove a battery is take off these plastic caps. Really simple if you got a flat head. Unlike I had one a few minutes ago, but oh shit. And that's how you lose one. Remove this. And I had to remove something else. Oh, it's this cover right here. Alright. There we go. That was annoying, but got it. Got the cover off. Simple as that. Now the next part. I should already clean that filter out. Oh. One of these days, not today guys, not today, but let's get this battery out. Alright, so I got the battery out. It was not so much fun, but I was able to get it. But anyways guys, so check it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is some corrosing stuff going on down here. It looks like battery acid leaked out, not sure, but something did happen. Luckily the car did not catch on fire. Really lucky, because that doesn't look normal honestly, but whatever. So I'm gonna clean that up, get a new battery. Hopefully it starts. Really hoping it really starts, guys. So I'll see you guys in a second. This is gonna be a lot heavier than I expected, and I should get a racing battery, but this is way too heavy, but gotta replace it. Let's get a cold start for you guys. At least it's gonna be a better cold start than the Z right now. It's better than nothing. But I'll see you guys in a few. I go pick up the battery. Let's talk about what happened at Pep Boys. I went to Pep Boys. I bought the battery at Pep Boys about 2 years ago. I'll say about 2 years ago. But anyways, I was there. They did the testing. It's like, oh, this battery's no good. I was like, yeah, I already know, but you know, they gotta do their job, so they're part of their way of working, so no complaint. So I was just chilling there, and they said, oh, you gotta go check in the system for the warranty. I was like, all right. The battery says 3 years free replacement for warranty reasons. I bought it 2017. It says 2017 on the battery, but while I'm sitting there, they had to check the system. I'm like, yo, it says it's 2017 and it has 3 years of warranty. Just give me the battery. But they're just like, oh, gotta check the system, and check the system. Apparently the system's going super slow. So 20 minutes went by, literally 20 minutes went by, and it's like, all right, I'm just gonna do it manually for you. Just here's the battery, and that's it. I was like, wow. Couldn't do that from the beginning. No. But anyways, I got the battery. Gonna install it in a few minutes when I get home, and wow, just as a mission is to get a battery, but at least nothing came out of my pocket. So that's the good part, right guys? All right, got the new battery. You see it? It's not time for me to install it. That's the annoying part, because it's just annoying. So I'm gonna do some fast forward thing. So you guys are gonna see in a second. Alright, so first thing first, let's see if the car turns on. I'm hoping it will turn on. New battery's in. If it's not the battery, it's got to be the alternator, and that is not going to be fun to change. But let's find out, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we know it was a battery. Compressor turning on, everything turning on. Perfect. Whew. Oh, look at that battery juice. So now we know it was a battery. Battery was leaking clearly, and I got it for free. So no big deal. Oh wow, I just realized something. My gas mileage, it reset it. So I might have to refill up pretty soon because I don't know where I was at. So that sucks because my fuel pump is not reading correctly. So other thing you guys don't know, you know how Z's, the window goes down a little bit when you open it, it's supposed to go up. When you reset the battery, you gotta reset that as well. So I'll show you guys that. Fix the window issue that Z's have when you reset the batteries. Like, example, look, I'm opening the door, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. It's pretty fun, right? No, it's pretty annoying. So, pretty simple. Door open, then you go to your ignition, turn it on, close the car, and then you roll the windows down. Then after that, roll the windows up manually, and then you hold it for 3 seconds. So how many seconds was that? I would say now. So after that, it should work after that. Let's see. And it worked. Simple as that. That's how you reset your manual windows. I mean, no, well, Z's don't have manual windows. Z's have automatic windows, and that's how you reset it. It's pretty simple. Power of Google. And car turns on. So I'm all happy. That was not fun, honestly. I was just trying to figure out how to fix this issue. Not really fix the issue. I was trying to record a video for you guys. It was gonna be a fun video, and my Z didn't turn on. Not very fun, but it happens. Car problems, and I was thinking about it on the way to picking up the battery. Last time I turned the car on was maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks max. I haven't turned the car on almost 2 weeks, so that could be the cause of it. I'll say 2 weeks since I haven't turned the car on. It was just literally parked here. I haven't driven it in a while, so guys, that's part of my fault. Battery drained, and then just something else happened and it started leaking. So no big deal. Easy fix. Nothing came out of pocket. So that's a good part, guys. Nothing came out of pocket. So it's an easy fix, just a little hassle, little hassle, but it's there, guys. It's not really a big deal. But anyways, that's it. The video for you guys. I was gonna have other video for you guys. That's gonna be way more fun than this video, but life happens, guys. All right, guys, don't forget, follow me at ZThruCharlie, and don't forget, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, ZThruCharlie. You guys already know who I am, so introduction is not needed for it right now. But anyways, guys, I'm just disappointed that I couldn't do that video for you guys, so I'm gonna try to do that video on my next day off. But hey, guys, life happens. Gotta deal with the situation, and now the Z is running. It sounds great. So unnecessary revving, but I just went to gas, and I don't know how many miles I've left on my Z. So that was a dumb move, very dumb move. But anyways, guys, it was fun. Not really fun, honestly. I'll be straight up, it was not fun. It was more frustrating because I wanted to do something for you guys, but whatever. I'll see you guys next time.